Hello, community of TikTok and all the persons that use internet that saw us. Well, today I'm going to talk about you the antibiotic pollution, how to affect the environment. How do antibiotics reach the environment? Antibiotics can reach the environment in a number of ways. That most common routes by which antibiotics can be released into the environment that are the human and animal excretions. That's the first one. The antibiotics that are consumed by humans or by animals are often eliminated from our bodies. So throw about the feces or that the other types. Yeah, and the second one is the medication waste that many people flush the used or expired medications down to the toilet, seeing another of that, rather and then talking to them to the medication collection points. The third one is agriculture. Well, the antibiotics that are also used in the agriculture to treat diseases in the farms, animals, and promote their growth, industrial releases, some pharmaceutical and medical product manufacturing and industries. And well, the once antibiotics are released into the environment, they can promote the development of the antimicrobial resistant in bacteria present in the environment, making infections and more difficult to treat. So in addition, they can affect aquatic organisms and ecosystem in general. Well, the second is the issue that we concern about the presence of antibiotics in the environment. Well, the first is the antimicrobial resistance, which is a constant export of bacteria to antibiotics in the environment that can promote the development of the antimicrobial resistance. This means that the bacteria becomes less susceptible and the effects of the antibiotics make infections in both humans and animals more difficult to treat, continuing the impact on aquatic ecosystems. That antibiotics can enter to water bodies through the seaway and agricultural runoff. These substances can affect the organisms, fish and invertebrates and microorganisms, altering their balance and the biodiversity. In addition, these antibiotics can have a negative effects on ecological process and functioning and aquatic ecosystem. Transferred to these resistance genes, the presence of antibiotics in the environment can facilitate the transfer two of the resistant genes between the bacteria. So this means that we offering the resistance to the antibiotics can be transformed from to non-pathogenic, so to the pathogenic bacteria, increasing the risk and difficult to treat infections, and all of which impact that we can have on humans or animals. Well, and expose the highest levels of antibiotic, the sources many presents a risk. So we can contribute to antimicrobial resistance and affect the efficacy of the medical treatment. And the last one, what can we do to minimize this problem? Well, we can minimize this problem by taking steps that we can contribute to reduce the presence of antibiotics in the part of the environment and mitigating the risks associated with antimicrobial resistance and environmental impact, along with promoting proper use, the safe and disposal of these drugs or medications, as well having a responsibility of the antibiotics, and improve the wastewater treatment systems, implement the sustainable agricultural practices, and promote education and awareness on the subject that To preserve an efficacy of antibiotics is crucial to guarantee human and animal health as well of all our natural ecosystem. Thank you so much to see this video. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.